long gap. I have not uploaded any videos. But this 2023, I am going to come up with lots of easy recipes, tips and tricks. So wish you all my viewers a great new year. Happy, prosperous, blessed new year. I hope all my dear viewers are going to have a great time this year. So a lot of people were asking, inquiring with me, why don't you cook these days? Definitely I'm cooking, but I'm just not uploading videos on Spoonful-Easy cooking. I'll be definitely uploading easy recipes for all my viewers so that you don't have to spend much time in kitchen. Definitely I'm going to come up with very easy recipes so that all of you can try it out and do let me know. So keep tuned, keep watching Spoonful-Easy cooking for easy recipes. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification as soon as I upload the recipes. So take care and be happy. Bye from Preeti.